Hey guys, what's up? Today I thought of making a general video on how do you keep your cryptocurrency and how do you keep your Bitcoin and other coins safe. Considering the fact that over a period of last 2 or 3 months, the cryptocurrency has really gained a lot of popularity. Let it be a Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or any other cryptocurrency, right? And specifically, if you talk about Ethereum, it has really grown in the price about probably 5 times, in the last 15 days or so. The one thing is for sure that the people are really slowly getting to know about cryptocurrency, the power of it, the potential of it, and how it's going to change the future for all of us, and how it's going to change the world, right? Considering all those facts, now I'm sure the market cap has increased for the cryptocurrencies. More and more people buying tokens, investing into it. Um, you know, considering all these, now the question is, how do you keep your bitcoins or any other crypto, and where do you keep them, right? And where do you buy them as well? Now there are various options where you can keep your crypto tokens and bitcoins. I'm just going to talk about all of them one by one. Now, they all understand that they all come with a degree of risk, right? So the first one that I'm going to talk about is the normal exchange where you can buy the Bitcoin from. For example, in India, you buy it from Unocoin or Zeppay or Bitzozo. So you buy it there and you can keep it there for some time. But I wouldn't advise that honestly. The reason why, because these are online exchanges, and keeping your bitcoins or cryptos there, it means that you don't control them. It's actually they who control it. So let's say if tomorrow, because of some issue, some government issue, anything that happens to the exchange, and they decide to close the exchange, then probably your Bitcoin is also in loss, and there's a lot of possibility that it can be hacked as well. So I would suggest that don't keep it for a very long time. Once you bought it, just move it to another wallet, right? So that brings me to another wallet, which can be your blockchain wallet, which is not an exchange, just a pure wallet to keep your bitcoins and crypto safe. So that's a blockchain wallet, but again, that's only for the Bitcoin. You cannot keep any other crypto coins there. So that's a blockchain wallet. Then you can also use Mycelium wallet, which is there on the Android phone, iOS phone, and then you have Coinbank. So these are just the wallet, purely wallet where you can keep your bitcoins, not for buying and selling. Of course, you can send and receive, but you can keep it. Now these are one. These are obviously, I'll say, these are safer than the exchanges at least. But if you want the safest one, the safest way to keep your bitcoins is buying a hardware wallet. Buying a hardware wallet is nothing but just an offline wallet where you can, you set the passcode, and it is not online. It is very much secured. That is what everybody suggests. So I would recommend that if at all you have started investing into Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, please keep it safe. uh, you know that's the future. So if you're not able to keep it safe, then it's a problem, right? So these are the way. I mean, you can definitely do some more research and find out more about what the wallet, but these are just my suggestion. These are the just wallet that I would rather use, right? So I hope you got value out of this video, and if you do have any question, feedback, comments, do leave it in the comment box, and do like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.